Hi, my name is Tom Basile, president of TG Basile. Today we are at one of our projects in Union, New Jersey, where we are tasked with restoring this parking garage deck. Our work includes full depth metal pan deck replacement, partial depth and spall repairs, concrete slab on grade replacement, routing and sealing of cracks, replacement of expansion joint. We are a specialty contractor and certified to install Sika, NeoGuard, and Master Builders traffic membrane systems. We will be removing the existing coating, which includes scraping, grinding, and shot blasting. Then we will route and seal the existing cracks and install the NeoGuard FC traffic bearing membrane. This is a retail establishment open 7 days a week. We worked with the client to perform the work in 5 phases, not to impact their business. Our company has 50 years of experience where we have been trusted in successfully completing many restoration projects. If you have a parking garage that requires our service, or if you'd like to enroll in our annual inspection program, reach out to us today.